Hey darlings, welcome back to the channel with another video. So yeah, it's a quite busy morning for a mother of two, a wife and a worker. So when I wake up in the morning, I go straight to the hall to see how the place is looking, get the place arranged before I do any other thing. So I realized the small human beings left their slippers there, so I had to take it to their room. So yeah, big sister was still sleeping here, and that is her sleeping. So small sister too came to sleep by me, so I had to go and check on her too. Yeah, so I had to close the door and leave there and go and check on little mama too. So I quickly head to the kitchen to wash some dishes, clean up the place, and then prepare something for breakfast. So yeah, I had to drain the dirt in here. If not, it's going to block the hose. So I had to take it off so that the rest can go. The water can sink smoothly. Yeah. So we'll go ahead and then wash the dishes. Okay, so it wasn't plenty, it was just small ones, but I had to, clear the place, make the place very nice before I start to cook. I don't like cooking whilst there are lots of utensils around. I don't like that at all. So I needed to clean up the space too, and then I rinse. Then I'll start up with the breakfast for the whole family. So yeah, if you have been watching me and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by subscribing for me, okay? Arrow to 2k. Yeah, I have to get 2k. Yes, I need it. So yeah, please do subscribe for me, like the video, you can share if you like, and your comments are welcome. Okay, so yeah, that is it. Let me leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, please, if you haven't liked the video, please do like for me. Okay, I need your likes to keep me moving. And if you've been watching and you haven't subscribed, please, the subscription is free. In Exhibiting Mommy's Voice, please subscribe for me for free and be part of this beautiful and amazing family. Okay, so far, yeah, this is our electric cooker, but this very one, it's a voltage. So then when you on it right now, the whole light in the house will go off. That's why we're using this small one. You don't want any wahala. So then you have to get the normal one some. Yes, this one is not normal. That's why I've been seeing you using this thing here. I don't want any wahala. So I'm coming to prepare it. I want to prepare food. See, or one here. Okay, sure. Into bed, go for it.
Me pay. Whoa, oh dear.
Eh?
Oh dear.
I never did not. Oh, Jimmy, different.
So give to the match check.
I said, no, it's not your face. And
I know what can I say?
I was like a crack card from the 19. Once I let you know.
I'm not only me.
And come and see me on one. I never saw you made in the pizza yesterday. I couldn't capture. I was very tight. So meant me and try. It is very nice. Because I was and rather than it be any. So it's very, 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 very nice. Very nice. Just so many other money. The same is the phone so good. Okay. So far, our oat is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe for me. Please do well to like the video and comment down below at the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. See you again in the next video. And that is bye.